So how do you set two time zones on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, the iPhone naturally has the section for time zone inside of the main settings app where you click on a general, and there you find the date and the time. And you might have your time selected to be set automatically, which is fine. It will use your local time, or you can turn it off and switch to a different time zone manually by looking up the city and going with that particular time zone, right? So it depends on how you want to have it. When it comes to adding a second time zone, what you are probably referring to is keeping track of the world clock. Like, you need to know the time in a different location. And for that, the built-in clock app is ideal because at the bottom, we have a couple of options like for the stopwatch, timer, alarm, but we also have the world clock, right? So you can see the time in not only just two other cities, but literally as many as you want, right? So you can tap on the plus button, look up like different city, and in here you get to browse and check out your current time as well as the time in those other locations. You also get to see the time difference, like plus and minus hours compared to your local time, so that's kind of useful as well, right? And one last thing which I absolutely love about this app is that we have the ability to add it as a widget, right? So if you happen to be on your home screen, you can click on or hold down on the screen to go to the edit mode, tap on add a widget, and you have the ability to go to the clock app, like pick the clock widgets, and you get to see that we have the ability to like add the world clock or different cities to be always visible on the home screen, right? So not only can we see the local time, but also time in a different locations, right? So that's like very useful, and you always keep an eye out for that. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next guides and in the next tutorials.